Hello friends, today from your second textbook part 2, let me start chapter 2 division. Here already in your previous class you have learnt about the division, how to divide by equal numbers and repeated subtraction. So let me do here revision exercise. So revision exercise, what it says, first one. Revision exercise, first one, encircle the objects as shown in the example and write the answer in given box. So here one example is given. You can say rats. Just I am doing round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 rats and it is told 6 divided by 3. So what we do? These 6 we have to divide in 3 group of 3. So here this is one group and this is second group. So here what we write? How many groups we have? We have 2 groups. So in box you should write 2 groups. Then let me go to examples, exercise. First exercise, here some ducks are given. How many ducks are given? 10 ducks are given. But instead of drawing ducks, I will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Suppose these are the 10 ducks and we should divide it by 5. 10 divided by 5. So here in how many group we should do? Group of 5. Group of 5 we should do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So make this as a one group and this as another group. How many groups we are getting? It is 2. Then B1, B question, second question. Second question is, here some flowers are given. How many flowers are there? 20 flowers. So here 20 flowers are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is 19 and 20. 20 different flowers are given. Now what we should do? 20 divided by 4. Here we have to divide in a group of 4. So here let me group them in 4. This is one group. Then here is second group. Then here is third group. Then this is fourth group. And here we find fifth group. In any way you can make a group. Say here like this also you can do one group, 2 group. Then here 3 group, 4 group and this one 5 group. In any way you can do. So 20 divided by 4, how much we get? 5. Then C question. Here C question, some Kids are, small kids are given. How many kids are there? 15. 15 divided by 3. It is given. So here let me draw 15 children. So I'll just do round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then this is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we have to group in 3. 15 divided by 3. We have to group in 3. So I'll group here. This is one group. This is second group. Here is third group. This is fourth group. And here you will find fifth group. How many groups we have? 15 divided by 3. It is 5 groups. Then D question, D1. Here some dogs are given. How many dogs are there? 9 dogs. So I'll do here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dogs are there. Out of 9 dogs we have to group in 3. So here it is 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3, how much we get? 9. We have to group in 3. So group them in 3. 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So 9 divided by 3. Here answer we get 3. This understood? Now you can check the table. Check here. 6 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6 or 2 3s are 6. This is verification. You can verify. So 6 is divided by 3, answer we get 2, or 6 divided by 2, answer we get 3. So 3 2s are, we get 6. Same here, 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2. So 5 2s are 10 or 2 5s are 10. So 10 is easily divisible by 5 and 2. Here 10, if you divide by 5, answer you are getting 2. And when 10 is divided by 2, answer we get 5. So 5 2s are 10. Similarly, here 20 divided by 4 is given. Then answer we are getting 5. So 4 5s are, if you multiply, you will get 20. 4 5s are 20. Okay. So 20 is easily divisible by 4 and 5 both. Then 15 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. So 15 is divisible by 3 and 5. Okay. Then D question, 9 divided by 3. Check here, 3 3s are, this 3 is answer, 3 3s are, we get 9. Then let me go to second main question. Second main question, what we should do? By repeated subtraction. In our previous class, already we have learnt about repeated subtraction. Till we get 0, we have to subtract. So let me learn repeated subtraction. Divide the following using repeated subtraction method. Second question. Divide the following using repeated subtraction method. Then here A question, it is 12 divided by 4. Now check how you should do with the subtraction method. So first step, subtract 12 minus 4. How much we get? 12 minus 4, it is 8. Then second step, 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Then third step, 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Therefore, 12 divided by 4 equals to how many steps we did? 1, 2, 3. And you can check 4 3s are 12. Then second question here, B, it is 25 divided by 5. So first step, 25 minus 5. 25 minus 5, how much we get? It is 20. Then second one, 20 minus 5. 20 minus 5 is 15. Then third step, 15. This 15 you should write minus 5. 15 minus 5, it is 10. Fourth step, 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. And fifth step, 5 minus 5, how much we get? 0. Till 0. Till you should get a 0, you should divide it. Therefore, 25 divided by 5, answer we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 answer you should write. Here, this is the answer. Okay, then let me go to C question. Here, C question is 42 divided by 7. So here, first step, 42 minus 7. 42 minus 7, it is 35. Then second one, 35 minus 7. 35 minus 7 is 28. Then third step, 28 minus 7 is 21. Then fourth step, 21 minus 7 is 14. Then fifth step, 14 minus 7 is 7. And sixth step, 7 minus 7 is 0. Therefore, 42 divided by 7 is 6. Check here in 7 table, we get 7 6 ja 42. Okay, 7 6 ja 42. Then D question. Here D question is 30 divided by 10. So first step, 30 minus 10. 30 minus 10 is 20. Second one, 20 minus 10 is 10. Third step, 10 minus 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. Therefore, 30 divided by 10. Answer we get 1, 2, 3. 10 3s are 30. This 10 3s are 30. Then E question. Here E question what it says, 75 divided by 15. So here first step, 75 minus 15. So here 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 1 6. So 75 minus 15 is 60. Second step, 60 minus 15 is 45. Third question, say here 60 minus 10 it is 50. 50 minus 5 is 45. Okay. Then 45 minus 15. So 5 minus 5 it is 0 and 40 minus 10 it is 30. So 45 minus 15 is 30. Fourth step 30 minus 15. 30 minus 15 is 15. And the fifth step 15 minus 15 it is 0. Therefore 75 divided by 15 is how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here answer we get 5. And we know 15 5s are 75. Same number, this second number we should go on subtracting from the resulting number and we get division sums. So here we completed revision exercise. Next here let me learn division, how to divide the numbers. The process of division method. Here, division is a reverse process of multiplication. For example, here if we know 8 4s are 32, if we know 8 4s are 32, then 32 divided by 8, you will get this 4, or 32 divided by this 4, you will get 8. So here 8 4s are 32 or 4 8s are 32. So here 32, when you divide by 8, answer you will get the other number 4. Then 32, if you divide by 4, the other number you will get 8. This understood? Here the division, it is nothing but a reverse process of multiplication. So here let me divide still one sum. 84. Here 84 divided by 4. Divide 84 by 4. Then here 84 divided by 4. Now here some steps we have to divide. This number, how many digits we have? Only one digit. So we should take first digit, 8. Now can you divide 8 by 4? 8 is bigger than 4. Yes. So 8 when you divide by 4. Then in 4 table, where we find 8? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 4 2s are 8. Then 8 minus 8 it is 0. Bring down this 4 here. Then in 4 table, 4 1s are 4 and answer we get 0. So here totally 4 different numbers we are getting. One, the number by which we are dividing. Then second, the number we are dividing. Then after division, one answer we are getting. And the fourth number here last. Sometime we get 0, sometime we get some different numbers. So we have some different names for these numbers. And they are, this number, this 4 is called divisor. This number is called dividend. This number is called quotient. This is quotient and this number is remainder. Got this? Here the number which is divided by another number, that number is called a dividend. Okay, then the number by which we are dividing is called a divisor. Okay, then after dividing we get some answer. That answer is called quotient, and whatever is remaining here after division, you may get sometimes 0, sometimes other numbers too. Then this is called a remainder. You should not tell it remainder, it is remainder. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R, remainder. Reminder, in English we have two different words, reminder and remainder. Reminder means the person who is reminding for something, and remainder is what is left over. Okay, now let me go to another example. Here suppose 49 is divided by 2. is divided by 2. Then here 2 is a divisor and 49 is dividend. So let me find quotient and remainder. So here 2, it has only one digit. 2 has only one digit. So take one digit. Then we find 2 2s are 4. Now 4 minus 4, 0. Bring down this 9 here. Then in 2 table, where you find 9? 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Then 9 minus 8 is 1. So here this is divisor, this is dividend, this part is called quotient, and here 1 remained. Check, in last sum it was 0, and here after division we are getting 1, and this we call remainder. Okay, now let me learn still one example, and there we'll find some other results. Here this we learned how to divide. Okay, now let me rub this. Here let me take 125 divided by 5. Now here 5, how many digits we have? 5, we have 1 digit. Now if I take 1 digit, then first digit is 1. Can you divide 1 by 5? No. So what we do, we go to second digit. Till the first number is not possible to divide, you should not go to second number. Okay, so let me go to second number. Second number is 2. So 1 and 2 both together, it is 12. Now 12 you have to divide by 5. So in 5 table we get 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Now 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now bring down this 5 here. Okay, so 5 5s are 5 5s are, it is 25. Now 25 minus 25, it is 0. Now this we know it is divisor, this we know it is dividend, this is quotient, and this is remainder. Now from this what we learnt, that divisor into quotient plus remainder is dividend, or dividend equals to dividend, this is equals to divisor into quotient, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Plus remainder. So let me check whether we are getting same dividend or not. What is divisor here? 5. What is quotient? 25. And plus remainder is 0. So here let me multiply 25 5s are 25 5s are. So 5 5s are 25, carry 2. Then 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, it is 12. Check, we are getting 125. 125, remainder is 0. When you add 125 to 0, it is 125. And this 125 is dividend. Got this? Let me do this verification to the last sum, where we have a remainder 1. So here dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder plus remainder. Then here what is divisor? It is 2. Quotient, it is 24, and the remainder is 1. So here 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4, 48 plus 1. How much we get? 48 plus 1? 49. Check. Is it right? Yes. So here, to check your division, whether your division is correct or not, we apply this method, and this is called verification. You can verify your answer. Okay. So by this verification, you can find that whether our division is correct or not. Then here, let me go to exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. First question, find the quotient and the remainder Here first question is 48 divided by 6. So 48 divided by 6. So in the 6 table, check here, 6 it is a single digit. If you divide 4 by 6, it is not possible. So we take 2 digit, 48. Now in 6 table, where we find 48? 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, and 6 8 is 48. Now 8 minus 8 is 0 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So here quotient is 8 and remainder. What remainder we are getting? Remainder is nothing, that is 0. Should write 0. If nothing is there, you should mention 0. Now here next question is second one or B. Here 1 is given, write 1. Then second question is 36 divided by 3. So here when we divide 36 by 3, 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3, how much we get? 3 ones are 3, it is 0. Then bring down 6. Then in 3 table, where you find 6? It is 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So here quotient is 12 and remainder is 0. Then third question is 55 divided by 4. So here 55, divide it by 4. Then 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4, how much we get? 5 minus 4 is 1. Now bring down this 5 here, and how much we are getting? 15. Then in 4 table, where we find 15? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. And 4 fours are, we are getting more. 4 fours are 16. 16 is more. So 4 threes are 12. What is 5 minus 2? It is 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So here quotient is 13 and remainder is, and here remainder is, we are getting 3. Then fourth question Fourth question is 72 divided by 7. Here 72, when it is divided by 7, then 7 ones are 7 we are getting. Now 7 minus 7, 0. Bring down this 2 here. Okay, can you divide 2 by 7? Is it possible? No. Then we should not leave as it is. After bringing down this 2 here, you should not keep remainder 2 as it is. What we should do? 7 zeros are 0 and then 2. At least once you should divide. Maybe it is by 0. Check again here. When 72 is divided by 7, 7 is one digit. Directly you should not do 7 tens are 70. Directly you should not do. 7 is single digit. Take single digit. One digit only. Then 7 ones are 7. 7 minus 7, 0. Then bring down 2 here. After bringing here, at least once a division you should do. But this 2 is not divisible by 7. So what we do? 7 zeros are 0 we write. 2 minus 0 is 2. So here quotient is, here quotient is 10 and remainder is 2. This understood? Then remaining questions of this exercise we will solve in our next session. Till then, thank you children.